we are at our display for the Rubicrawler. If you notice, when we were in our 2007 JK earlier that had the Rubicrawler, this is actually what the unit looks like. This display is a TJ unit instead of a JK, but the theory is the same in between the two. The 42 RLE transmission has a factory hollow tail housing with an oil supply line for an oil seal, and houses an output shaft extension to go to the factory transfer case. This allows us the room and the space to do the Rubicrawler with no drive shaft modifications, no transmission mount mods. Very simple application. You remove the tail housing, you remove the spud shaft, bolt this unit in, and this overall length will be identical to the factory tail housing you're taking off. This is a stock new process 231 with our slip yoke eliminator kit installed. This is a stock TJ console with shifters very similar to what we had in the JK. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, neutral 4 low for the transfer case, then Rubicrawler low and high depending on orientation. You can see that the Rubicrawler will always be cable shifted with its own cable. The TJ linkage replaces all the factory bell crank problematic TJ shifter with a new cable shifter for the stock 231 transfer case. This leads us into our next line of products. This is also the same components you will find in our TJ cable shifter upgrade for the factory transfer case. You will find the same cable, some different bracketry, but the same handle and setup. When we move over to the JK, here is a factory JK tail housing, stock JK shifter that you would find in your JK, but anyone that's ever had the plastic push pins come off their stock cable, broken the factory very inexpensive cable, we do a new nice cable upgrade that can be utilized with the factory shifter, or in the case of our JK, it actually works with our twin stick Rubicrawler shifters. Makes for a more solid shift feel and no more problems in the field from the factory JK cable shifter.